Alright guys, let's get started. We're going to do a makeover on this side table here that I've had for quite a while, and we're just going to give it a little facelift, bring some life into it. Alright y'all, we outside in this heat, so I'm going to get this done quickly so I can go back in. This is going to be the spray paint that I'm going to use today for the frame, and I may do a combination of both of these. We'll see. I'm not going to record the spray painting. Everybody knows how to spray paint, but this is how I'm doing it. The edges are taped off. Sorry about the airplane going across. I live next to an airport, so we're going to hear that. And the reason I'm doing that is because the mirrors that I'm using are 16 inches and the base that's across here is actually 18, so it's going to leave me about 2 inches on the edge, which is fine, and I'll probably still let the wood show for that part, but we're going to do the frame only. So I'll be right back. Keep on watching if you want to see how this turns out. So I'll spray paint it up. Sorry about the shadow, because I'm in the shade with it. Now we're just gonna let this puppy dry, and we'll be back. Let me see if I can get at an angle where you can really see the true color while we're out here. Okay. Alrighty. Stay tuned. It is dried and I brought it in. I just have it sitting on this little rug here, just in case the bottom is not completely dried. I don't want it to stain or sink into the carpet. But let's go ahead and pull the tape off. And this is the color that it turned out with that spray paint. I'm kind of feeling it, but to some degree I'm kind of not. However, this is going to be an easy fix for me because it's kind of giving off a mustard color instead of the bright gold. So what I'm planning on doing is glamming this up, bringing it to the next level just a touch. So hang in there and I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, step 2 of this Glam DIY makeover, we're going to be using the Gorilla Construction Adhesive to attach the mirrors that we purchased, or that I purchased from eFavormart that I showed you in a previous haul. So let's just keep going. Okay, first mirror applied. Then we're going to do the second and third shelf. We've attached the mirrors. Now we're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes to get a slight adherence, and then we'll move on from here. So the next video, our next clip you'll see will be it completed and styled. Thanks for watching.